And good day. Today we're having a look at this. This is the Insta360 1R. It's the camera. This has got the 4K mod lens on it, and I've produced two different lens covers, and they're both made out of TPU, so they're flexible. You can bend them. One is without the little lanyard on the side here. The other one is with a lanyard. Well, a little ring I should say, so some people like to tie things around so they don't lose them, but there you go. So two different types, fit on nice and snug, and that's basically it. Now, if you like my video, feel free to give me a thumbs up. I definitely won't say no to that. Give me a thumbs down too if you want. Either way, I don't mind. All I ask is that you simply give me a reason why you don't like my video, and I'll do my best to improve on the very next one. Now, if you haven't subscribed, I'd be happy if you did that as well. And with a bit of luck, I'll get to see you on the very next video. All the very best. Till then, take care.